Imagine a place in the Atlantic Ocean where ships vanish without a trace, airplanes evaporate midair, and entire crews are swallowed by the sea, never to be seen again. This region has haunted sailors, pilots, and adventurers for centuries. You know its name, the Bermuda Triangle. Today, we uncover chilling stories, shocking eyewitness accounts, and both scientific and not so scientific theories behind one of the world's greatest mysteries. The Bermuda Triangle doesn't appear on any official map, yet almost everyone knows it. This mysterious patch of ocean is marked by 3 points: Miami in Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan in Puerto Rico. Inside this triangle, stretching over 500,000 square miles, an unusually high number of incidents have occurred, ships and planes disappearing. Without explanation since the early 20th century, the triangle has claimed hundreds of ships and possibly thousands of lives. Some call it the Devil's Triangle, others the Atlantic's graveyard. But why does this place inspire such fear? The famous Flight 19. One of the most infamous disappearances happened on December 5, 1945. A squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Florida for a routine training mission within hours. Things went terribly wrong. Radio transmissions turned into desperate calls for help. The squadron leader reported that his compasses had failed. He cried, "We are entering white water. Nothing seems right. We don't know where we are." Despite massive search efforts, the planes and the 14 men aboard were never found. Even more disturbing, a rescue plane sent to search for them also vanished, along with 13 more men. In a single day, the triangle swallowed 6 aircraft and 27 men. The ghost ship Carroll A. Deering. The ocean also has its ghost ships. In 1921, the large schooner Carroll A. Deering was discovered run aground off the coast of North Carolina. Near the triangle, but the crew? Gone. Lifeboats? Missing. The logbook? Vanished. Meals were left prepared in the galley, as if the crew had abandoned ship in the middle of dinner. To this day, the fate of the Carroll A. Deering's crew remains unsolved. The USS Cyclops disaster. The triangle's deadliest loss came in March 1918 with the U.S. Navy cargo ship USS Cyclops. Carrying over 300 men during World War I, it disappeared. Somewhere between Barbados and Baltimore. No distress call, no debris. Despite one of the largest searches in naval history, no wreckage was ever found. To this day, the Cyclops remains the Navy's single greatest non-combat loss of life. Modern disappearances. Some claim the Bermuda Triangle is just a legend from the past. But vanishings continue into modern times. In 2003, a small plane carrying 3 people disappeared after taking off from the Bahamas. No wreckage was found in 2015. The cargo ship El Faro sank with 33 crew members during Hurricane Joaquin. Some wreckage was recovered, but the incident reignited fears about the triangle's curse, theories and explanations. Over the decades, dozens of theories have tried to explain the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. 1. Magnetic anomalies said to interfere with compasses and navigation. Equipment. 2. Methane gas. Scientists suggest methane eruptions from the seafloor. Reduce water density, causing ships to sink instantly. 3. Rogue waves. Gigantic, unexpected waves reaching 100 feet tall could swallow ships whole. 4. Weather and storms. Hurricanes and tropical storms are common in the region. 5. Aliens or time portals. Others believe the triangle is a gateway to another dimension or a base for extraterrestrials. Eyewitness accounts. Survivors' stories only deepen the mystery. Some pilots reported flying into walls of clouds with strange glowing lights. Sailors described sudden whirlpools, electrical failures, and compasses spinning wildly. In 1970, pilot Bruce Jernan told a bizarre tale. He claimed he flew into a tunnel-shaped cloud over the triangle. When he emerged, he had traveled over 100 miles in minutes, as if he had slipped through a time warp. Skepticism and reality. Of course, many scientists argue the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other ocean region. It lies along heavily traveled shipping lanes and busy flight paths. Insurance companies don't charge higher rates for voyages through it. And the US government doesn't recognize it as hazardous. But does this explain all the disappearances? Why have some wrecks never been located, even with today's advanced technology? The triangle in popular culture. The Bermuda Triangle isn't just a place, it's a legend. It has inspired countless books, documentaries, and horror films, but its true power lies in the fear it sparks. The idea that in our modern age, there are still places where people vanish without explanation. That is what makes its mystery eternal. Conclusion. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a supernatural force? A misunderstood natural phenomenon? Or just a myth fueled by imagination? The truth is, we may never know. But every missing ship, every lost plane, every question without an answer keeps the triangle alive as one of Earth's greatest enigmas next time you fly over the Atlantic or sail into the deep sea. Remember, you might be crossing the Bermuda Triangle, where answers disappear as surely as the daring ships that entered before you. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Mystery Vault 24/7, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing mysteries and unsolved secrets from around the world.